Hi guys, I'm Shruti. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to talk about narcissistic personality disorder. I have a few questions for you. Do you know anyone who constantly expects admiration or thinks he's better off than anybody else, but flies off the handle at slightest criticism? If yes, that person has narcissistic personality disorder. I have met tons of people like that in my life, and I would like to share my experiences and some tips on how to recognize such people and also ways to cope with them. Stay tuned. People with narcissistic personality disorder, or NPT in short, are the ones who are in love with the grandiose or inflated self image of themselves. And they are in love with this image of themselves only because it helps them to hide their true feelings of insecurities. But propping up this grandiose image takes a lot of work. And that's where dysfunctional patterns and behaviors come in. Narcissistic personality disorder often involves a pattern of selfishness, arrogant thinking and behavior, lack of empathy and consideration for others, and there is an excessive need of admiration. People often define narcissists as cocky, manipulative, patronizing, demanding, selfish. This kind of behavior and thinking emerges in every area of a narcissist's life, from work relationships to family members, friendships, or even the love life. People with NPT are extremely resistant to changing their behavior, even when it's causing the problem. They turn the blame onto the others. What's more, they're extremely resistant to slightest criticism and react really badly because they see it as personal threat. So people in a narcissist's life, they kind of go with the flow, go with the demands of a narcissist to avoid their rageness and coldness. However, if you understand NPD, you can easily identify narcissists in your life and protect yourself by creating healthy boundaries. Narcissists believe they are unique or special and can only be understood by other special people. They are too good to be true, they are too good for anything average, anything ordinary, and only want to be associated with high status people, things, and places. They truly believe they're better than others and expect recognition, even if they have done nothing to earn it. They're always exaggerating and often lie about their achievements. When they talk about their work or relationships, you will constantly hear them say how much they contribute and how lucky are the people in their lives to have them. They are truly stars. Narcissists have thin skin and they often react poorly when they're called out on the negative behavior. When they're challenged, they are likely to either fight, that is, throw temper tantrums, blame game, denial, hypersensitivity, or they're likely to take a flight, which is just go out of the door, avoidance, silent treatment, or other forms of passive aggression. So these are the kind of people who actually view relationships as more competitive than collaborative, where one is either winning or losing. Narcissists tend to project a very idealized, false image of themselves to the external world, only to hide their true inner insecurities. They tend to impress others by making themselves look good externally. This trophy complex can project itself financially, physically, romantically, culturally, socially, financially, professionally, and even sexually. The underlying theme is look how amazing I am, I'm so great, I'm so special, and I'm true worthy of everyone's love acceptance. A narcissist presumes entitlement for boundary violations. They have a very narrow and a very egocentric orientation, which dehumanizes and oppresses their victims. So, this kind of boundary violations could result in domestic abuse, human rights violation, sexual abuse, hate crimes, date rapes, and other forms of criminalities. This kind of destructive behavior actually gives a sense of pride to a narcissist because it feeds into its hollow and a very desperate need for privilege and superiority. Although narcissists can be really physically abusive, for majority of its victims, it's the emotional suffering which causes the biggest damage. They love to arouse negative emotions in others in order to make themselves feel more powerful while keeping others in insecurity and off balance. They invalidate others' feelings, emotions, priorities, and have no remorse for causing so much pain in someone's life. In fact, they blame their own victims for causing their own victimization. They say things like, you wouldn't get so yelled at if you weren't so stupid. They have very unpredictable emotional behavior, and nobody knows what can tick them off. They hate signs of independence and self affirmations, and they get really agitated if you don't agree to their viewpoints or don't meet their expectations. In the end, I would say that a narcissist uses and exploits others only to compensate their own desperate need of deficiency, of being unloved for the real self. So I hope this video really helped you in identifying the traits of a narcissist so you can protect yourself. Comment below and let me know if you've met a narcissist in your life and which of the traits they match up with. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't, and ring the bell to get notified each time I release a new video. Thank you.